Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's lecture, we are going to learn one of the most important and frequently asked topic in library and information science, which is digital libraries. In the modern information age, libraries are no longer limited to printed books. Today, users can access books, journals, research papers, and video, and many other resources anytime from anywhere through digital libraries. Before we begin, let's understand what we are going to learn in this lecture. By the end of this session, you will be able to define digital library, understand why it is needed, explain its characteristics and components, identify different types of digital libraries, learn about digital library software, metadata standards, and understand the services offered by the digital libraries, and finally discuss their advantages and challenges and major digital library initiatives in India. These concepts form the foundation of modern library and information science, are essential for both university examinations and competitive examinations. First, let us understand the meaning of digital library. A digital library is an organized collection of digital information resources that are stored electronically and made available to users through computers, mobile devices, or internet. Unlike traditional libraries, digital libraries do not require users to visit the library physically. Instead, users uh, can access information from anywhere with internet connection. A digital library contains various types of digital resources such as e-books, e-journals, PCs, dissertations, images, videos, audio recordings, digital archives, online databases. The main objective of a digital library is to provide a fast and convenient, reliable access to information without the limitation of time and place. Remember this point, right, which is important for examination. Digital library is not merely a collection of scanned books. It is an organized system that stores, manages, preserves, and provides access to digital information. Now let us look at this some standard definitions. According to Digital Library Federation, a digital library is an organization that provides specialized staff resources to select, organize, preserve, and provide intellectual access to digital collections for users. Another important definition was given by William Arms in 2000, who describes a digital library as a managed collection of information stored in digital formats and accessible through networks. This definition emphasizes that digital libraries are much more than digital storage. They involve proper organization, preservation, and efficient access to digital information. For exam point of view, the Digital Library Federation definition is one of the most frequently asked in UGC and other competitive examinations. Why do we need digital libraries? The amount of information generated every day is increasing rapidly, making it difficult excuse me, making it difficult for traditional libraries to meet all users' needs. Digital libraries solve this problem by providing 24 hours access to information from anywhere in the world. Researchers and working professionals who cannot visit libraries regularly, digital libraries also help preserve rare manuscripts and valuable documents by creating digital copies that can be safely stored and accessible. They promote resource sharing among libraries and support online education, making knowledge available to everyone, regardless of geographical location. Next, digital libraries possesses several unique characteristics. They contain digital collections rather than physical material. They provide internet-based access and are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Many users can access the digital resources simultaneously, which is not possible with the printed books. Digital libraries support keyword searching, full text searching, metadata-based retrieval, and multimedia resources such as videos and audio files. They also provide remote access and enable users to study from home, office, and or anywhere with an internet connection. Remember, digital collection, metadata, networking, and remote access are four pillars of the digital library. Digital library consists of several important components. The first component is digital resources, which includes ebooks, journals, multimedia, thesis, research papers. The second component is the technological infrastructure consisting of computer, servers, storage devices, and networking sorry, equipments. The third component is digital library software such as DSpace, Greenstone, EPrints, which manage digital collections. The fourth component is the metadata standard, which organizes and describes digital resources. Finally, the human component includes librarians, IT professionals, and users who manage and utilize the system. All these components work together to provide efficient digital library services. Digital libraries can be classified into different types. Institutional digital libraries preserves and provide access to research output of a university or institute. National digital libraries collect and preserve digital resources at the national level. Subject digital libraries focus on specific disciplines such as medicine or engineering. Corporate digital library serves as information needs of the organization or institution industries. Consortium-based digital libraries allows multiple institutions to share resources. Hybrid libraries combines traditional print collections with digital resources, offering the advantages of both systems. Now let us understand the architecture of digital library. The process begins with digital resources, which may include books, journals, multimedia, files. These resources are digitized and described using metadata. The metadata and digital objects are stored in a repository database. Users access the repository through a search engine and a user-friendly web interface. Finally, the required information is retrieved and derived to users quickly and efficiently. The architecture ensures systematic storage, retrieval, and long-term preservation of digital resources. Various software packages are available for developing digital libraries. DSpace is the world's most popular software for creating institutional repositories. Greenstone is open source software developed by the UNESCO and widely used for building digital library collections. ePrint is another open source repository software used for research publication. Fedora is mainly used for digital preservation and repository management. Although Koha and NewgenLib are primarily integrated library management systems, they can also integrate with digital library platforms. Uh, Exam tips. Remember DSpace because it is one of the most frequently asked software names in library science examinations. Metadata is often described as a data about data. It provides descriptive information that helps users identify, locate, and retrieve digital resources. Some important metadata standards includes Dublin Core, Mark 21, MODS, MODS, METS, XML, and OAI-PMH. Without metadata, searching for digital information would be extremely difficult. Metadata improves interoperability, resource sharing, and long-term preservation of digital collections. Digital libraries offer a wide range of services. These include digital reference services, access to e-books, e-journals, institutional repositories, current awareness services, selective dissemination of information, bibliographic services, research support. These services enable users to obtain accurate information quickly and conveniently, regardless of their location. Digital libraries provide numerous advantages. They offer 24 hours access to information from anywhere in the world. Multiple users can access the same resource simultaneously. Digital libraries save physical space, reduce paper usage, and facilitate faster searching. They also improve resource sharing, support digital preservation, and reduce operational costs in the long run. Because of these benefits, digital libraries have become essential components of modern educational and research institutions. Despite their advantages, digital libraries also face several challenges. Copyright and licensing issues restrict access to some digital resources. Reliable internet connectivity is essential, which may not be available everywhere. Developing and maintaining digital libraries requires skilled professionals and significant financial investments. Cyber security threats, software maintenance, and long-term digital preservation are additional challenges that libraries must address. India has launched several important digital library initiatives. The National Digital Library of India, developed under the Ministry of Education, provides access to millions of educational resources. The Shodhganga, managed by the INFLIBNET, is India's largest repository of doctoral theses. e-ShodhSindhu provides access to electronic journals and database for higher educational institutions. And other important initiatives include DELNET, NPTEL, SWAYAM, and uh, Vidwan. All of these support education, research, resource sharing across the country. Exam tip: remember, NDLI, Shodhganga, e-ShodhSindhu are among the most frequently asked topics in complete examination. Let us now compare traditional libraries and digital libraries. Traditional libraries mainly consist printed books and journals, whereas digital library provides electronic resources such as e-books, e-journals, and multimedia. Traditional libraries require users to visit physically during working hours. Digital libraries provide 24 hours remote access through the internet. Traditional libraries require large physical spaces, while digital libraries depends on servers and digital storage. Searching for information is faster and more efficient in digital libraries because of keywords and keyword searching and metadata. Finally, digital libraries enable multiple users to access the same resource simultaneously, making them highly suitable for today's educational environment. Digital libraries are widely used in universities, schools, research institutes, and government organizations, hospitals, engineering colleges, and corporate sectors, and public libraries. They support online education, distance learning, research, digital preservation, and lifelong learning. Education becomes increasingly digital, and importance of digital libraries continues to grow. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our library exam. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming library science lecture. In our next video, we will discuss another important topic in library information science. Until then, keep learning, keep preparing, and stay motivated. Library exam hub, learn, prepare, and succeed.